want to start by thanking Elevate for helping me find my true self. The PMCs, Jeffrey, JG, Brandon K, Katie, Danielle, and Jaden. The staff members, Mike, Kevin, Ragsack, John Marshall, Andrew, Roger, Jordan, James, and Matt. And then detox staff. I want to give a special thanks to my roommates, Renee and Kylie, for being my family when my family wasn't here, but they're here, yeah. And all around being amazing people. Kylie, you're my best friend. I'm excited for us to train together. And to my family, I'm sorry for all the pain I've caused. Yay! Thank you for not giving up on me when I give up on myself. Thank you.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.